Hey folks, I wanted to do a quick update today. I wanted to show you a new product sent to me by HOBBYCOOL.com. It's the FlyFox 110. I want to thank Kevin from HOBBYCOOL.com for sending this over for a review. Little 110 millimeter micro, flying 2045 props. You've got the, let's see, the brand names, the AOK Fly RV1106 7600 kV motors, flying on a 2-cell. Comes with a little GNB 550 2-cell 7.4. Stack is, I believe we're running D-Shot 600 on this when I set it up last night. It is a 20 millimeter micro omnibus F4 flight controller. It's got a small VTX up top that's switchable, 25 milliwatts, 100 milliwatts, 200 milliwatts. Beeper, LEDs. It has an unbranded camera. That's a Sony CCD 600 TV line camera. I just did one flight with it to make sure it flies, and now we'll do a line of sight also after this. We'll put that on video, and then they'll include the footage for my actual maiden. I went ahead and put my own receiver in here. You can buy it with various receivers for different brands of radio, obviously, and I put in my own Spectrum satellite, pulled it down, but I wanted to run the longer aerial so I don't lose it out here. It's got a dipole video antenna, clips right onto the VTX. So anyway, as far as the design goes, 3 millimeter main frame. It's nice and lightweight, and like I said, flying it on a little 2-cell 500. I've got a couple other little 550s I'm going to fly it on, just get a few flights out of it. But we'll go and do a line of sight here next. But I wanted to toss this out there. I believe it's coming in the realm of 139 to 159, depending on the receiver you get. So it's got all the good stuff in there, and we'll see how it performs. And like I said, these little quad blades here, I'm not sure how efficient they're going to be. Obviously, you can do a lot of different things with changing to tri blades, etc. Maybe get a little more efficiency out of it. The first flight I did, just FYI, I did a recording, DVR recording, just to check it, and I literally ran out of battery at 2 minutes. So it is just about a 2-minute flyer, and I wasn't really pushing, I was just kind of cruising around. So you are going to be very limited on battery. These low props aren't going to be able to have much lifting weight, so as far as cargo, meaning battery weight, you're not going to have all that that much available. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the flight. We're going to go ahead and cut to some line of sight video, and then we'll put some DVR action at the end. But again, hobbycool.com. And thanks to Kevin for sending this over for review. Thanks for watching, everyone. All right, guys, we're going to try a quick line of sight flight here. It's very, very windy, so pardon the wind noise. I'll try and do just a little bit of talking, but wanted to show you the LED indicator on the back for arm and disarm. We're going to go for a flight here. I've got air mode on. I'll keep it kind of close if I can, so obviously it's going to be hard to see. This thing's so darn small, it doesn't take long for it to turn into nothing. And using a GoPro does not help, obviously, for keeping high resolution on the target. Everything's stock here. We're getting beeping battery indicator. I don't think I said anything different in beta flight. Literally stock tunes, no change to anything. No change to the video transmitter. I think I need to adjust voltages for my battery there. The video transmitter in my earlier DVR flight, which you'll see here at the end, was fantastic. So it's probably set at 200 milliwatts by default. Flew end to end in this park. It was actually quite good. I hear a little bit of a D-term pulsing, so it might need a little bit of an adjustment. But being cold out too, it might be just fine when it warms up. There's a punch. Really great. On a 2-cell, very nice. Really solid. The stock PIDs were good. I think I saw a little bit of bouncing around, but that could have been the 15 and 20 mile-an-hour winds I'm flying in today. So far, quite nice. Zippy. Much as you can expect on a little 245 props. The air quads, you might get better performance, as I said, in the Just quick review on the stand there, by going to some tri-blades, you might be able to get a little bit better performance, maybe a little bit better efficiency and flight time as well. I had my timer set at 1:50 because of my DVR test. It crashed and burned at about 2 minutes, so I was lucky. I was getting close, coming back in for a landing, and it just fell from the sky. So safe, no damage, no issue, fell right on the battery. But reality that this is a short time flyer based on the capacity of the batteries. And I can feel it getting soft now, so we're gonna go ahead and set her down. There you go, guys. There it is. FlyFox 110 from hobbycool.com. Thanks again to Kevin for sending this over. Nice little quad, 2 thumbs up. I'll put up the pros and cons at the end. Thanks for watching, everyone.